What's up guys, how you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's reaction video is going to be another baby metal video, and if you haven't watched the previous videos such as the unhelpful guide to baby metal and then other reaction videos, I have reacted to Shanti 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 as well. That was like one of my first reactions. So if you haven't watched it, then I'll link it up there, you can go watch it, and let's start the reaction. Let's start. The stage is rotating and it's so pretty, and I really love the music. Okay, let's continue. I think this is the first time that they have added clips of guitarists like for this long, and they are so talented. Like, I really loved it. Okay, let's continue. So this may be one of my favorite baby metal video because it sounded so good. I don't even know what it means, but like I really like it. I really love it how it sounds. It has, you know, some emotion to it, like very strong emotions. I feel like I was watching some dramas. Like I mostly watch Korean dramas, so like, you know, you get that emotion while listening to a song played in that drama, right? Like I felt that, and I haven't even watched a drama like that, still I felt that. Like I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Like it really touched my heart. And Sue Metal's voice, I think her voice is like maturing, and like it sounds so good. Like the voice is like solid, and like her vocal is so right on point, and she is like so confident. The look she gives in between the rotating stage, wow. And then I really love that part when she knelt down. Like I never saw her doing that, and it's the first time that I have seen her doing that. And yeah, I have the lyrics with me and I'll be reading that right now. Let's see what it means. Okay. Akatsuki means crimson moon. It means crimson moon. Okay. The lyrics is by Naka Metal and Subo Metal. Okay, let's read it. Going over thousands of nights, some love shall survive. So until my body perishes, until my life disappears. Wow, this is strong. Okay, I shall keep on cherishing this love. Wow. Shining in the depths of the eyes, the moon is about to cry. Red tears overflow and dye the night sky. But this dye is not D-I-E dye, it's D-Y-E dye, the color dye. Okay. In the silence, the two damaged blades stand face to face, and our loneliness and our uneasiness slash even our hearts. Going over thousands of nights, some love shall survive. Okay, this paragraph repeats again. And then in the passage of time, I keep my eyes shut. Even if the red thread flowing in my hand breaks, even if the red thread flowing in my hand breaks, I still feel we are tied. Wow, this is, oh my god, this lyrics is written so nicely. Okay, in the silence I hold the damaged blade face to face, my loneliness and my uneasiness, I slash even my heart now. Okay. Going over thousands of nights, some love shall survive. Okay, this two paragraph repeats again twice, and then the last line is dye crimson, dye bloody crimson, but this dye is not D-I-E, D-Y-E. Crimson is that crimson color of the moon, right? Dye bloody crimson. Oh wow, they have written something below about Akatsuki and Kurenai. Okay, let me read that. The official title of the tune is, it's written something in Japanese, which is read as Akatsuki as a whole. The letter katakana is Yomigana, which is added just to show the reading of the kanji word, because it has several possible readings of Akatsuki and is not so popular. Okay. Okay, Akatsuki is a contraction of Akai Tsuki, means red moon. Oh, that's why bloody crimson dye, right? Okay, the moon looks red when it is low in the sky, just like sunrise, sunset. Because more of the non-red spectrum of the sunlight moon is scattered when it travels long distance in the Earth's atmosphere. The full moon is near the horizon at dawn and dusk, and the time just before dawn is also called Akatsuki. Okay. The totally The Red Spectrum of the Sun. Do you still want me to read it? If you are bored, then you can skip it. I'll write the timeline down below, but I'm interested, so I'm gonna read it. Okay. Spectrum, Earth's atmosphere. Okay. Not a few fans think the word Akatsuki refers to this type. I cannot tell which type of red moon the lyric writers thought of. Okay. The kanji also has a reading Kurenai. Kurenai is a name of some deep red color that is also often translated to crimson. So I translate the title to Crimson Moon. Oh, okay, okay. But both Kurenai and Crimson are not so specific. There is a famous heavy metal band named X Japan and Kurenai, and is one of their smash hits. Okay, okay. About the damaged blades, they have written something. Okay, I was wondering about the damaged blade as well. Wounded or damaged is used much more for persons than for blades. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, grammatic. Okay, so this is me from the future. I'm editing this video and I just realized that I haven't added a point which I feel like it's very important to add, and it's about the guitarist. Like, I have never seen in other videos that they have added a portion of the guitarist playing, and this is like pretty long portion in this video, and I really enjoyed it. They are such talented, incredible guitarists. They played so well. They, like, this video is even more better because they have added them, and I feel like a solo guitarist, like, it's even tough for a solo guitarist to play like that, and it's like so tough. And having that in mind, two of them are playing together, doing a duet. That is such a huge thing. Like, it's another level of talent, and like, it's like worth of appreciation. And yeah, I quickly wanted to add that, and I thought it was important to add. So yeah, let's continue. Can be possibly the blade by which I was wounded. Okay, okay. That's it. Okay, the lyrics is also beautiful. They have written it so well. It's pretty, and overall the song was so good. And really, like, this is like the second solo that I've watched of her, and she did so well. Okay, I really want to watch Yui and Moa, like, they perform together, right? Like, I saw that in Unhelpful Guide video. So if I can find it, I'll watch it. Like, I want to watch them together. I have seen Su-metal perform solo now. I want to see them as well. Maybe next time. Like, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Do love yourself and respect yourself and do what you love. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.